father.
I did.
Let him carry you come home.
My brother, know why I call you.
What's happening?
That's the way you're doing good.
What did I do?
You think I call you to make you carry me go somewhere? How you go bring me for your life? You dare man bring me down. Something they do you.
Oga, which kind of problem is this one?
And they tell you, say they call me. Who they call, Oga? Come on, carry time. You dare man they call me, Oga. I come for your life. You dare man bring me down.
Oh, Chere Gini. Take him Chere Gini. Wait. Let me hear some English in Gap.
Abai, cool down. Come on. Cool down. It is you. It is that the other people who go bring for their life, go carry them contact. Say, where you go bring me for your life? Carry me contact. It is that the other people. Something they do you. MC. MC Mwaka Kurigi here. MC Mwaka. Jesus. Omisele. Hey. Eh? Jesus. Oh, you get my disappear, Abi. You get my disappear, Abi. You get my disappear.
Equal amount of tele eyes. Papa go ko e wo re mind go ko mena go se fa wo no she lo bia e bere tele one day bere tele na ta so wo lo chileke lo ta bia ga ko tele anyo wana amoni igbo tele re pe wana amoni igbo papa go ko amoni igbo chileke papa go ko Aku wala motelanya. Motelanya me onu ege. Otemba. Chineke
aku wala motelanya.
Ubake bani.
Aku wala motelanya.
As English.
Aku wala motelanya.
As English. As English na was.
Amoni Igbo. Amoni Igbo biko. Motelanya me.
Chineke gbokwegi.
Me wa amoni Igbo.
Jesus
amoni Igbo. Amoni Igbo. Amoni Igbo.